During and after you finish your project or thesis, you will need to present your work multiple times, either to obtain funds or to show your progress to the school committee and colleagues. You need to gain more skills in using PowerPoint. Painting software is a plus. Let's go through the important points you should consider during preparing your presentation. Here are some guidelines that will help you in creating a compelling presentation. The ideal font size for the title is 36 and for slide context from 24 to 28. Use a clear and thick font. The popular font for presentation is sans serif including Arial. Others include Calibri, Century Gothic, Helvetica, Lucida Sans, Tahoma and Verdina. Use bright colors and don't use figures with dark background. Avoid dark background or shiny colors that makes reading your slides hard. Don't use a busy or crowded background or unnecessary shapes. Use one type of palette and color all your palettes with one color in all your presentation. For each palette, use only one single line. Don't use more than 6 lines per slide. If the slide is crowded with information, no one will be able to understand or follow you. Sometimes it's better to search for a template that will organized instead of creating one. The well-organized template gives your presentation a professional look. PowerPoint Office offers free templates. In here you will have multiple options, either for presentations, themes, education, charts, diagrams, business, or infographics. You even can click more and search online. We all know it is hard to remember everything you want to talk about, but you need to use slides you really need. You can write only the headlines you want to cover, but if it is necessary to add more information, split your slide into multiple slides. Keep what you want to say in slide notes. You can review it before the presentation starts. Tell a narrative story and develop the idea step by step that makes everyone understand your results. Don't just drop figures or tables and start talking directly about them. Develop a story based on why, how, and what. Why did you do that? How did you do it? And what did you obtain? Use figures and illustrations that are related to your work as much as possible. People like to look at figures or graphs during presentations.